In my last video, I mentioned a tiny bit about personalities, and the lovely fellow asked me to talk about one of them. So that's what this video is going to cover. First, like I said 1,000 times, I am a very friendly person. I only tend to change if we are just meeting for the very first time. I have about 4 personalities: the me, the me, Leo, and the last I really don't want to talk about. Let's just face Leo for today. I try to be me when I meet strangers for the first time, but then a part of me which I call Leo, also my nickname, always pops up. Leo isn't too friendly. Basically, he's a really cool type with a kind of cool voice and all, and no matter how you act towards him, he will still maintain his cool because he wants to maintain that image. If we meet anywhere for the first time, you have about 80% chance of meeting him first. Then just maybe after a while I can switch depending on your vibe. Actually, it all depends on first impressions and vibes. When it comes to arguments, no matter how annoying the situation is, he just drops his point and leave. Truth is, my really close friend wouldn't know him. Maybe strangers and crushes. By the way, by crushes, I mean those that I had crush on. I don't think I have anyone crushing on me. I think I'm really annoying. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really need it. Adios.